Me a Willie Fofana Esquire.
Okay.
Me a lawyer.
Because it's not easy for the lawyer to talk to the press. I market myself, but when it comes to the crowd, and why they see young man they cry, full young man and really they cry, make of course say no, you know what, we're not going to go for go, of course not talk to you because they don't tell you say, okay, now you defend them. Yeah, okay, so just tell me how you start this matter, how you come to this matter.
The matter is a very interesting one. It's also very complex.
Okay.
Me coming to the matter at the time where the accused persons then at that time they don't plead guilty. So I come, the magistrate then be done adjourned for record and sentencing. I come, done. I watch what the police do. I ensure say I make an application for a change of plea.
Okay.
And then being grant the application there. Right from that point they will start the trial up to today now where eventually they don't decide in the client's favor.
Alright, okay. So what time is this allegation? What time is this case?
The allegations now that the four accused persons then we have the defender employees of MML, Marampa Mines Limited in Alonsa. They allege say they maliciously damaged electric copper cable with about $25,000 or thereabouts. They also say they conspire, they all four conspire for commit that substantive offense. Then the other allegation are that two, that is the third and the fourth accused, then be accessory after the fact. But again, watching the law, waiting the law say, the evidence adduced by the prosecution, associating counsel, state counsel, it be flawed. Inconsistencies and Boku hearsay, waiting and charge not to that evidence in the adduced now. So there's a sharp disconnect of variance between offenses charged and the evidence adduced in the courtroom. Okay. So the defense capitalized on their flaws and they eventually we come out with a non-guilty verdict against me in favor of me the client today.
So you as a lawyer not put money before according to the client them, why then so of course you defend them. Because so many people so far alone talk about lawyer business, why I think money business, you know. But at least you stand for the people that they fall. So what does this mean?
The advantage being Boku, as I say, right from the beginning. And you imagine say this now, if not the biggest mining company in Sierra Leone, one of the biggest mining companies in Sierra Leone. For let them make allegations in a police station, their allegations and then are conspiracy, malicious damage, accessory after the fact. Then as they adduce evidence, but before that time, they say they get an internal hearing mechanism inside the MML. The offense system, where they allege say in the accused persons then be commit different from the one way they charge them in a courtroom. Then again, after the internal hearing, they also terminate their services. And that termination, the offenses are also different from internal hearing, and they're also different from the offenses in the courts, whereas are the same parties, the same offenses, I would say, but you get variations as the matter they unfold. And what is more, you see stark abuse of process in that the matter be already in a courts. 8 months later or thereabouts, the company conducts internal hearing. Something of them for don't do prior to coming to court. Yeah. And 1 year some, now then finally terminate the services while the matter still in a court. So all those areas very serious loopholes.
Yeah, loopholes. So you keep all inside.
Capitalize on that and we'll do exactly what we said before do best.
Okay. So after this one, wait on the next proceeding. Wait on the next process. After this one,
we go to the High Court for restitution. We're going to the High Court. Yes.
All right. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So you're going to pay for all the damage there and all. Okay. So what kind of message now? We of course you as a lawyer want for send out right on as well with the justice system of course alone because some man
people then get very serious respect for the law, get serious respect for the judiciary. We always return to the law. When once people then come before we, then come before the courtroom, they come before the judiciary, we they apply the law to the letter. We just don't apply the law. The law has been applied to the law. Let people then get
confidence,
serious respect for the judiciary and get respect for them, full of integrity and everything. Otherwise, we talk about the biggest mining company in Sierra Leone, or one of the biggest mining companies. But we win them. That's the law. Now they just apply.
Yeah, but for this one, somebody will ask for say, right, also you may do, but with several, Sierra Leone, they really on the lost case. Why, when kind of nature they are, or you don't know about them?
Well, I wouldn't say I not be know about them, but again, the case now one way a day before.
Oh God, they not consult you by then.
Somebody can before you say this time it matter.
Yeah.
I'm always ready for.
Always ready.
These are taken from me, boss. Anyways,
Okay.
the boss get the credit as well. Me
Alright.
and Bets and Bell are there, and
Okay.
the boss now Elvis Carbon in training.
So 19.
He has the credit.
So why this crowd all the money dance with you?
Because they feel excited for letting they today see their loved ones, them, then they exonerate them. And then take into account, say, well, indeed, justice don't come in. They don't dispense them aptly.
Okay, man. Thank you very much for talking to the
Thank
press.
you so much.